Hi, welcome back to our series of tutorials. Today we are going to see how we can start from this cube and model a quad like this. Then from this cube to this curved corner here, and then from this cube to this double curved object. To demonstrate this, I will start a new file. I will scale the cube on y-axis, then tab into edit mode, edge select, then select this edge. I will press Ctrl B for bevel, and then bevel almost the whole side. I'll go to the panel and set the segments to 20. Here you are. I have my quad, but make sure that you have your shape set to 0.5. As when you increase, it becomes a right angle. Should set it to almost to 0.5. I will tab out of edit mode and then grab it to x-axis so that I can do another object. I will make Shift A to add another cube, scale it on y-axis, tab to go into edit mode, select this edge, and then Ctrl B to bevel. I will leave slightly this side and beveled. I will keep the segments 20, but now reduce towards 0 the shape. There, I have my object. Tab out of edit mode, then grab it to y-axis to make the third shape. I will now press Shift A, add the cube, scale on y-axis, SY, go into edit mode, select the same edge, then Ctrl B, then again bevel like this. I will increase the shape to around 0.5. Then go to custom, press only custom, scroll down. I will select one of these dots. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Then select let me pick the 5th one and grab it down. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select this one and grab it up. I can now adjust my shape the way I want. I can pull up or pull down this one. Now I have my double curved shape. I will turn out of edit mode, then show you the shapes. I can smooth them. Let me turn on the cavity so that you can clearly see the edges. I will right click, shade smooth, right click, shade smooth, right click, shade smooth. I will select this one, go to the properties panel. Here at the object data properties, I go to normals and then click this auto smooth normals. Select another object and again auto smooth normals. And then finally the last one, auto smooth normals. So here you are. You have your shaped objects starting from the cube. Thank you. Continue to subscribe so that you can get the future tutorials and support our channel to grow. See you in the next tutorial.